Before welding, make sure to put on the face shield and then wear the glove, put on the safety jacket and wear suitable pants, and make sure to also wear safety boots to protect ourselves.
Firstly, clean the material using the steel brush before start the welding process. Next is prepare two rod which is 3.2 mm and 2.6 mm. Next, turn on the switch and set to 20 ampere. Next, spot weld at each side of the material so they stick together during the welding process.
First, we do spot weld with the current in between 60 to 75 ampere. Second, we do spot weld with the current of 20 ampere. Third, we do spot weld with the current in between 40 to 50 ampere.
These are the results of the tip of the electrode after done spot welding at respective current. After done welding with the first electrode, we use the second electrode to spot weld with using all of the current 20 ampere, 40 to 50 ampere and 60 to 75 ampere. And these are the results of the tips of the second electrode after done spot welding at respective current.